Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to advertise eBay listings. eBay listings by themselves, in case you were a new account, a newer seller, they could be harder to sell since you don't have authenticity, you don't have any reviews, and that could be making the work harder and it takes more time for you to get your first sale. But in general, in case you had a new account, you could still pay some money to boost or to advertise for your listings. So first of all, you have to go to eBay advertising, and here you could get this page where you can promote your listing. There's two kinds of promotion. There's the general one, and there's this one that's like the general one is basically to actually give you growth and make it appear more on the homepage, etc. But there is the other one. I forgot its name, but it helps you more to actually show your product exactly to people with potential, but with buying potential. So there is a higher chance that they will be buying your product from you. So in that case, the second thing that I've talked about here, guys, is actually, yeah, this is one priority strategy, and there's the general strategy. The priority strategy is actually going to be by bidding against other people, against other sellers. But general strategy is basically you paying a fixed amount of money, and you will be getting into people's page, and this will boost your visibility. Now, anything that you need to do is simply that: create a new campaign, choose your listing, and follow one of these two steps that are going to show you here for each strategy, and you will be good to go to start advertising your product on eBay. It's pretty simple and easy, guys. You just need few money, few couple of money, and a product to actually advertise for. See you guys in the next tutorial.